Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply one of these to our 16-ounce cup glass. These are pretty cool. This is a frosted version. And I've got my handy dandy tools. I picked up my nice little Cricut weeder, some scissors, and I like to use these craft knife to cut stuff up. Got my nice little self-healing mat. So I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to clean this glass right here. And I'm going to line this on here. Start right about here. I'm going to eyeball it. And then it's going to go all the way around. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm looking at it like you would look at it. Let me see how much time you save by not weeding any vinyl. See, I'm just taking it right off. How much more easier can this be for you? Look at that. That's like butter. Look at that. And yeah, I'm going to push it down once again. If there were any air bubbles, I'd work them out. That looks really, really good. Yeah, 49er faithful. Where's my 49er fans at? You guys are having a really, really great season. Scratch resistant, this is what I love about it. There you go. I have a nice cup. Put my straw in here. It's going to be a nice gift for someone for Christmas, for their birthday. They're going to take this to a tailgate. They're going to put their favorite beverage in here. Okay, so there it is. All right, this is Eddie with Grand Sus Designs, showing you another cool product that you could use for UV DTF. Look at, yeah, I did a lot of weeding, right? Not really. Hey, you guys have a good one. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I will have a link for the UV DTF gang sheets that we have for sale. This is Eddie signing off. Thank you.